Ah, so welcome to this first video, which is basically the guide to our next course, which is Special Theory of Relativity. So this course will complete or will include the following topics. Out of which this one is the bonus video. This is the rarest thing which no one will ever tell you, hopefully, and if someone tells, it's great. And in between I will also include some problems video on some numericals, which we will see further on. So let me introduce you the basic course. So special theory of relativity, it's a part of physics, but it is separate from physics in the sense, what is physics to you? Physics to you will be some Newton's law, some derivations, something with current and magnetism, light, something with light, but this is separate. This is the best part. You will really enjoy this section of special theory of relativity. Usually the lectures will not be too long. The lectures will be up till 30 minutes. Okay, till 30 minutes. And as compared to quantum mechanics, 30 minutes is fine, because if there is a lecture of quantum mechanics, then if someone says a short lecture on quantum mechanics, so a short lecture on quantum mechanics is of 90 minutes. That is short lecture. Okay, so these lectures will also be short. So short means 30 minutes. According to me, this syllabus should be included in junior college, because there is no lengthy derivation, there is nothing hard in this syllabus. You will realize that it has basic derivations, simple logic, and there are some arguments. So this course will consist of arguments of various scientists, starting from the history of relativity. It will contain certain derivations with less numerical, less mathematical approach, and finally there will be postulates and result. So I hope you will enjoy this course. If there is any suggestion, you can give in comments. And this course will be in English, because I was getting many comments from people who were saying that, and that made me hurt also. Like in my video of Polaroid, one comment came, "Sir, I want to see this what you are explaining. I was explaining some practical, but I cannot understand as I don't know Hindi. Sir, I am having exam tomorrow, but I have no other option." So that made me some hurtful. So I expect a large audience, an audience from India and from other countries also. So if there is anyone from other country, then please tell me in comments, it will motivate me. Okay, so let me end this video here. We'll start from the next lecture, inertial non-inertial frames. So see you in that video. Okay, hope you enjoy the well.